Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make $50 every single day in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria and you're looking for a way to make $50 every day, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch to the end, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll walk you step by step on how to do it. We'll be using a trading platform called PocketOption. I know you all will be thinking like trading, but it's not how you think it. So I'll be showing you methods on how you can make money absolutely doing nothing on PocketOption. So we'll now all watch out to the end. So now I'm showing you an email that's sent to me every week from PocketOption, which shows a list of 5 top traders over the past weeks. So you can see the content of the email say don't have time to learn the basic of technical analysis and monitor the market situation, or use the skill of professional traders to make money in the financial market. We have prepared a rating of top 5 traders from around the world over the past week whose trade you can copy. So here are a list of traders that you can copy that will actually be copying their trade and making money without no losses. It will be like our mitigation system. We'll be only investing and watching our money appreciating. So you can see this trader here and an estimate $8,330 in a week. So he has 7 people copying him and he has 63% probability. So if you invest $100 in a week, you should be making $833 US. So as the second one here, we have 7,692 and have 16 people copying our trades. So in a week we should be making the $769,000. So as you can see here, same as the trader down here, you can see he makes $7,271 and if we trade and we'll start copying it, so we can make $707 in a week, and so on and so forth, which is really cool. So we will actually absolutely be doing nothing and we'll be making not less than $50 every single day. So in a week you can sum it, do the mathematics yourself. So we'll be using a trading platform called PocketOption. So this is PocketOption. PocketOption is a financial, it's a financial market where over millions of people are using, and it has over 100 global trading assets which you can trade from. You have minimum investment, which is $50, which is the content of our video, and this is our aim to be making. And they have many payment methods and withdrawal methods. So I won't waste too much time on registration. I'll just dive to the video and see how we'll be making that money. So you can just put your email address, your password, and confirm your password, and tick this button here and sign up. After signing up, go to your mail and actually verify your email. After verifying your email, there's some couple of things you have to do, which is you have to verify your identity as well. So I'll be showing you how to verify your identity right away. So now let's go to our created account to verify identity in a nutshell. So let's log into our email. I'll just have my email saved on it, so I'll just stick a robot in. Let's go to the platform. Oh, they have some recapture here, motorcycles. So I'll just stick the motorcycles in the video. After that, I'll just log in. So after logging in, I'll show you how to verify your identity without wasting time and dive to our video. Well, we're on the platform right now, so the first thing we do is to we cancel this for the time being and go to profile. In the profile we will be actually verifying our identity using the profile by clicking this profile here, which I'll be showing you right now. So by clicking it, we're now in profile. You click this profile right here, and after clicking the profile to bring you to a place like that where you put your identity. You write your first name or your last name. You've already verified your email, so it will appear as verified, you put your phone number and your date of birth. And after that, we'll go to the most crucial part, which will make our account to be verified, which is the identity verification. So we have to verify our identity. You have to put you just scroll down and identify your identity. Let's go back a bit to verify our identity. You should actually you'll have to put your either ID card, your passport, or driver license, which you'll be using now. So what you do here is to put the name of your country, your identity, your document type, either ID card, driver license, or passport, anyone you're using. Then now you put the ID number. If you're using national ID card, you should put your NI number. Whereas if you're using your voter's card, you should put the number as well. So just for identification. Now you upload the file and click upload. But this part is a crucial part, because sometimes the kind of national ID card we have in Nigeria, they give us a long sleeve, which is sometimes actually not recognized by the system, so they prefer the standard ID card. Well, you should try it. If it doesn't work, then you can just go to www.edits.org/ID cards and to create a visual ID card. So after that, after clicking those ID cards, then you can actually log into the platform. After getting verified, then you can choose an avatar and choose your username here. Put a nickname. You can choose to hide your profile, and you can drop an avatar here. So in a nutshell, let's go to the content of today's video without wasting time on this one. So after verifying our account, we can just come to finance and click on deposit to make a deposit. If you have the money. If you don't have the money, you can just verify your account. I'll be showing you a method on how you can also make without doing nothing. So for people who have the who have the money right away, so you can just click on deposit. I'll be showing you the method you can use with your own money. So now you can see we are now on deposit, so you can choose a payment method which you'll be using. You can choose a Visa card and reinvest. Let's say we put your own 50 USD on it, and you can see 50 USD, and click on continue. So after continue, you'll be redirected to a place where you can pay with your card, put your card details, and pay the 50 USD. You can also save the card. If you have a saved card, you don't need to put anything, just click on save card. So that's how after paying the USD, you'll be redirected to to your bank where you put some tokens. So in a nutshell, we won't be doing that now. So let's say you've invested $50. I have $1.75 on this account now. So let me just show you what I mean. How do we then make the money? So now you go back to trading. Let's say trading a real account. Go to the real account after depositing. So then click on social trading. Now PocketOption have a very interesting factor that they give us advantage of actually trading with people that are actually making it. You can trade with professionals. If you know one, you can just put as UID. If you don't know any of them, you can select from the top traders. After you can check the top trader in 24 hours, top ranking traders in 24 hours. They can show you a list of them, so you can choose any of them and start copying. We have a list of those that I watch already, and you can see most of them have 70% profitability, 71 up to 80, 79, 79. So you can trade with any of them. It's really cool. But I have those that I'm watching, so I'll just go to my watch and see which one of them will I be trading with. We have GNC is very good. You can see a Nigerian here trading GBP USD is a very good, but you haven't traded for the past 24 hours for the past 6 hours. So I'll just scroll down and click on Clifford O, which is one of the one I use most. You can see I'm watching him, so he have 100% profitability today, and same as yesterday with 100% profitability. So if you have trade if you trade with him, you have 100% profitability as well. So you can just go to copy trade, you can just go to copy trades and click the amount, how many proportion of this amount of this trade we want to copy. So we can just put 10%. We want to copy 10% of this trade, and we'll put our stop balance. Let's say we invest $50. We can put our stop balance at $40. So if our loss is up to if our balance up to $40, we can stop. We can say minimum amount of trade we want to copy. Minimum amount. The minimum amount of trade we can say set it to $1, and the maximum of amount that will be removed from account we can put it to $5. So you can see now you will copy 10% of trader's original amount, or the amount. Copy will stop at $40. Minimum of copy trade is $1, and we have maximum of $5. So trades with expirations less than 1 minute will not be copied. So we are cool now. We can just say click on confirm. You can click on confirm, and you can see we have started copying this trader. So you can see we have started copying this trader. There are other people still copying him, and you can see he's on an experienced level. So you can just start copying him right away. So this is really cool, and there is no limit to amount you can make. Any amount it makes, you make 10% of the amount doing nothing. You're just merely investing money. You're only investing, while he's one actually trading for you. You can see people investing in crypto and other, which is really cool, but this is more lucrative than any other platform you can think of, which means you can just copy people's trade actually without doing nothing. You can just put $50 there or $100 there and watch it appreciate. You can leave it for a week. Update that a couple of times, a lot of times on my different accounts, and I'm okay. So there's a lot you can do with this. And now for people, make sure you verify your account. I'll put link in I'll put my Telegram link, so if you have any question pertaining this course, you can just message me there. I'll answer you, and I'll put link to PocketOption for registration. Make sure you have a verified account. In my next video, we will be investing together and copying I'll show you how we copy that and how we really make the money. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss that. Trading together as a whole make us stronger than one. Let's make all these big boys, all these big brands, let's send them back home. So if you don't have any money to trade right now, this is for people who have money right now, and then they can invest. But if you don't have the money, don't worry, don't be sad. We have something for you too. So let's go there really quick. We have something called tournaments. Tournaments is a contest that everyone, instead of you wasting your time on demo account, the virtual $10,000 that trading platform gives, which actually doesn't add anything to benefit to you in real life experience, because $10,000 is a lot of money, and you can't actually learn how to trade with that tournament because there's no money management in it. So that's why we'll be using tournament. We can just go to the current tournament. You can see no data. So upcoming tournament, we have a day off. A day off is a tournament that starts every single day. You can join this tournament, so you can say participate for free. The rating, you can see that actually nobody have but people that have made money with it now. You can see the first position will earn $125, while the second position will make $75, and the third position will make $50, which is really cool. Absolutely on your demo account without depositing anything. You can make this money if you come top. If you make more money with with money they will give you on the tournament account, you can make as much money on tournament account, and you can make actual real money with it. When you go to the registration, say confirm participation, so you can say continue. On continuing, you see the tournament will start tomorrow. It's 11 hours, so it's already night now, so it's still tomorrow before you can start this. You can trade and trade and trade as much as you want, and actually, you have signals. I'll show you how you can actually trade. How do you trade? I'll be given a free signal software. I'll be given the license. I think I buy it $300, so I'll be giving it for free. Let me show you what we call VFX Alert. So I'll be giving it to anybody who wanted. Should message me on Telegram. I'll be giving it to each and every one of you for free. So make sure you message me if you want it. So this way, even people with no amount of money, with no balance, can also make money on PocketOption. No, now I'll come more beat these guys out of the market. You can really make money. This is a real shit. Don't waste time. If you have $50 or $100 now, start investing. This is more lucrative than crypto. You can invest. You can create your account this week. Make sure it's verified this week. By Monday you can invest and watch it till the next Monday and see how much you can make, which is really cool. I'll be giving out VFX Alert. Let the VFX Alert open so that I can show you what VFX Alert has to offer. So make sure you watch the video to the end, subscribe and like the video. Let me know all what you think in the comment section. As you can see, the VFX Alert is a signaling software. It's a signaling software that you can use to trade. Actually, you can have different kind of strategy that you can use on the VFX Alert. You can say crypto. You can even trade crypto reversals. You can trade crypto on it. If there's any, there's no reversal, you can say crypto trending and see all the trending in crypto. So no trends as of right now. So this, you can also check the pro signals. They have two type of signals. You can trade forex. As you can see, this will give you signals, and it's a signaling software, as I said earlier, so you can use to confirm your trading entry. If you're trading on a tournament, you might actually want to use this pro signals. If it show up, then you might consider buying. You can see as of right now here, 1 minute it's buying. So make sure you like the video, comment and message me on Telegram, and I'll give you this software for free. So if you have the money, make sure you invest. Make sure, mind you, have a verified account first. Make sure you verify your account first. It's very important. By next year, I want to see thousands of people that will come together in with the aim of us defeating this market. See you all next week. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'll drop the link to everything in this video in the description. Make sure you like, comment and let me know what you think in the description, in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.